Today, we're going to set up a live stream using the MixPre II. For this example, we have one host and a guest remote caller via a voice over IP application. Connect the MixPre via USB-C to the appropriate port on your computer. For this example, we are using a Mac. Go to Menu, System, USB-C, and make sure the option is set to Audio. On the Mac, enter Audio MIDI Setup. Choose the input and output settings and the sample rate. To make full use of USB routing on the MixPre while running Windows, you'll need to install the ASIO driver, available as a free download on the Sound Devices website. Plug in your mic and set the levels according to best practice gain staging. In the Voice over IP application, enter the preferences and set your audio input and output sources to the MixPre. For this example, we're using Zoom, but the process will be similar for most applications. The host mic is currently on channel 1. Enter a new channel screen to set up the guest audio. For this example, we will use channel 2. Set the source to USB 1 and set the guest's audio using the trim and gain controls. Once your guest has connected, you can set up a mix-minus to ensure easy listening for your guest. To see how to set up a mix-minus on the MixPre, see the video linked below. With the MixPre configured, you can now stream directly to a platform or use streaming software. To stream directly to Facebook, log into your Facebook page and select the Live Video section. Under the Setup section, change your audio device to your MixPre. When you are ready, select Go Live Now. This process should be similar for live streaming directly to most platforms. You can also use streaming software like OBS to live stream. Just make sure you change your audio device to the MixPre. Thanks, and we'll see you next time for another Sound Devices tutorial.